Lupita want to come
Losing his
outside?
pants.
I think she's tired. I think she's sitting down.
Way over there. Here's some over here. Come over here. Oh, you're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. You're gonna get it. Wow!
Nice, Rafa.
It's right over your head. Coming down. He's coming. He's coming.
Okay, it's going up. It's going up. It's not coming down.
Right there,
Look, Rafa. Look, 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 look.
Wow! Cody got it.
Good job.
Cody got it. You want me to hold the ball? I can hold the ball. You want me to hold the ball for you, Rafa, so you can punch bubbles?
Is that what he said?
Whoa!
He says, Mom, I don't know. He says, this is my ball. I don't really want to. I don't want anybody to hold
You
it.
want me to put you?
Yeah, it's like glycerin and water and dishwashing soap. It works pretty well.
You don't do it.
No.
Do you want to try to make them on your own, Cody? Do you want to make them?
You
Go ahead, give them a try. Pick it up and wave it. You can,
You can walk slowly with it. Maybe it would make good bubbles.
Come on over.
Go. Walk slowly.
Let's go this way.
Slowly, 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 slowly.
I think, did I not get any on them?
You got
Oh, there they go. There they go. You're making them. You're making them. Whoa. Still making them.
It's almost done, I think.
Nice work, buddy.
Playing it.
Ready?
Yeah. Whoa, I'm making bubbles.
Whoa!
Oh, you're doing a great job.
Whoa!
Wow, look at him, Cody.
There's some really big ones.
Ready? Go! Whoa! Pretty cool, you guys. You're good bubble makers.
I'm gonna power this one. Pow!
Do you want to be all done or one more, Cody?
Rafa's cleaning your deck for you.
No, we're
Yeah,
just gonna
I
do
see
this.
that.
This is our last one. We can do some more at home.
He's got his own little thing.
Yeah. Rafa, there's a bubble coming at you.
Nice work, buddy.
Nice, Cody.